At night, the ocean turns into a starry sky. This strange light comes from tiny living creatures. This phenomenon is called bioluminescence. The light is produced by a chemical reaction inside their bodies. This reaction happens between luciferin and the enzyme luciferase. Millions of phytoplankton begin to glow in the water. Ocean waves shine bright blue. At night, this blue glow is the deepest visible color. Many fish also produce their own light. Deep sea fish use light for hunting, and light also helps them escape from danger. Some creatures release light to attract mates. Octopuses and jellyfish are also bioluminescent. The jellyfish has a beautiful blinking light. This light can confuse and mislead predators. Tiny creatures throw light as a defense mechanism. Some marine worms have explosive glowing materials, and their light is blinding in absolute darkness. Red algae glow like fire at night. This is called the fiery sea phenomenon. Dolphins enjoy swimming in glowing water, and their bright trail is visible behind their bodies. Deep sea sharks also emit light. They use this light for camouflage, and the glow on their bellies hides them from view. This technique is called counter-illumination. The anglerfish uses light as bait, and his glowing lure hides its massive mouth. Deep sea creatures live in total darkness, so light is their only way to communicate. Each species has its own unique light. The colors range from blue to green. Red light is invisible in the deep ocean, and most creatures produce blue light. Blue light travels the farthest distance underwater. Deep sea shrimps shoot glowing projectiles to distract predators. Some octopuses have blue glowing rings, and these rings flash when they feel threatened. The blue-ringed octopus is highly toxic and dangerous. Light has many different and important functions in nature. Coastal algae illuminate the night sky. Breakwaters create a magical scene at night. Tourists travel to see these lights. Waikiki Island is famous for this phenomenon. Maldives beaches also have dazzling lights. This phenomenon mainly occurs in warm waters. Phytoplankton are the main cause of this glow. They feed on nutrients and sunlight, and at night they release the stored light. This process is part of the food chain. Many animals feed on plankton. Light can act as an alarm signal. When a fish hits plankton, they flash, and this glowing display attracts bigger predators. Pay attention to this glowing food chain. Humans also use this science. Scientists transfer glowing genes to plants. Glowing trees might be the future of cities. This technology will be used for street lighting, and it also has many applications in disease detection. Cancer cells can be identified with light. Bioluminescence is one of nature's greatest wonders. But this phenomenon is being destroyed. Light pollution weakens this glow. Global warming also reduces their population. Ocean acidification is very harmful to them. So we must protect the oceans. If the ocean dies, the lights will go out. Watching a glowing night is a unique experience. Boats create glowing trails at night. Paddling through luminous water is very exciting. Every movement creates blue sparks. This scene looks like the Milky Way galaxy. But do you know its exact secret? It's a chemical reaction called oxidation. The enzyme luciferase oxidizes luciferin, and this reaction produces light energy. The efficiency of this reaction is extremely high. Almost all the energy is converted into light. No heat is generated in this process. That's why it's called co-light. Regular light bulbs don't have this feature, and they convert most of their energy into heat. But nature has been doing this for millions of years. Evolution has made this system highly efficient. This is a masterpiece of natural genetic engineering. Many organisms have this ability. Bacteria, fungi, and insects also glow. Glowworms shine on land as well. But the ocean is the largest glowing stage on Earth. 70% of the planet's surface is covered by water. Most of these waters are completely dark. In this darkness, light is the king. Creatures must produce light to survive. This is a glowing war. In the deep dark, this grand drama happens underwater every night. Billions of tiny lights tell the story of life. The night ocean is truly a magical world. Now you know the secret of the glowing night.